Hello students, myself Divya Jog and this is Credence Digital Learning. So in our last video, we have discussed that there are different sources that provide us evidences for evolution, and these evidences they have been proved that complex organisms they have been selected for the advantages for their survival. Okay, so how can these complex organs they can be generated from a single difference or a single change in the DNA. So now for surely we can understand that the complex organism it has created one generation by generation over a thousand of years. That means if a new generation is being created, that process will be a gradual and a slow process. So now in this video we are going to discuss and understand that how these species have evolved from the different evolution process in stages, and how the different varieties of cabbages that we see they are actually a result of an evolution but from artificial selection and not natural selection. So let us first understand what is evolution of stages means. Let us take an example of a structure of an eye. Now we know that eye is an organ that is very complex in nature and it is present in all the organisms, and this structure, this organ is an important organ of an organism. So now it is such an organ that is being created over the long period of time. So as we have seen in regeneration of a planaria, you can see that planaria has two spots that are called as eye spots. These eye spots in planaria that detects light. Now these eye spots they provide advantages for planaria to survive in basic environmental conditions. Now if I talk about human eyes, that over the years we can see more and more complex organisms, not just human being but animals as well. There are more and more complex organisms in which the structure of eyes are developed and the structure of eyes gets evolved in different organisms. Now from here we can conclude that whatever the structure of eye we can see today has been evolved from the structure of eye which was present in some time in planaria. Now these development of eyes they give a survival advantage for the particular organism. So here we can conclude that the evolution of eyes is an example of the evolution which has been taken in stages, right? The second what we are going to discuss that is of artificial selection.